up, everybody? Stereo Man back at it again. We've got this 2018 Chevy Cruze here. We're gonna put new headlight assemblies in here because, as you can see, these headlights, they got a lot of buildup on the inside of them, and they got spiders on the inside too. Apparently the seal wasn't that good and allowed all this crap to get in there. So we've got brand new factory headlight assemblies we're gonna install in this vehicle. And we got to take the bumper off to facilitate that. If you have not been extensively trained, don't attempt it. You make the call. It's just that simple. 708-821-3526. And when I come back to the camera, you will see I will have the appropriate Grayer Auto shirt on because, you know, I can't mess up my lavender. So we're going to go ahead and get started on this. And like I said, if you need this service, make the call. It's just that simple. We can source all the parts that you need for your vehicle. 708-821-3526. Let's get started. See, we got the bumper loose. We didn't have to pull it completely off because we were able to pull it plenty enough where we were able to remove the headlights. And old headlights right here, they look horrible. The dust covers that go right here, we ordered some new ones and waiting on them to be delivered before we can put these in, because as you see with the fan motor on the back of the LED, this won't fit on here all the way. It's not deep enough. If this was probably a half to 3/4 inch deeper, it would fit over there. But we got some new ones coming, and then as soon as those get here, then we'll be able to put those on and mount the headlights in and make sure they work and get the customer's car back to them. Like I said, when you want the best service, when you need mobile service, you need somebody to come by and pick your car up, hey, make the call. It's just that simple. 708-821-3526. When you see the shirt, you know you're dealing with the best. Grayer Auto Accessories. As you see, we're all finished with the install. Look at these brand new headlights. LEDs are super bright. These lights have the daytime running light strip on them. See the parking lights on, everything works like it's supposed to. And I'm gonna turn the hazard lights on so you see those will work too. And you see the hazard lights working. This car looks brand new again with these new headlights. So you've seen it for yourself, another flawless install. When you want the best, you call the best. It's just that simple. 708-821-3526. Follow us, like us, subscribe to us, call us, and refer us. Until the next time, peace, God bless you, and we'll see you at the next install.